G'day from Air Tools WA. Ask us anything about air. This time we're looking at the Black Cat 1850 brad nail gun. The Black Cat 1850 is built with a solid alloy construction that fires 18-gauge brad nails for finishing work. It's designed for easy loading and has a double safety trigger mechanism. But one fantastic feature about the Black Cat 1850 is the very fine entry point, and because of the double safety mechanism, there's no depression mechanism at the front, making it perfect for discreet finishing work. As you can see, the Black Cat 1850 is a fantastic nail gun that is not only purpose-built for precision, but is also designed to last. Black Cat Air Tools, brought to you by Air Tools WA. For more information, please visit our website at airtoolswa.com.au. And as always, thanks for watching.